Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to replace some incorrect underlined words to make the sentences meaningful and grammatically correct. First one is the workers were laid in for 6 months. It is laid off. He was laid up of pneumonia. He was laid up with pneumonia. How did you come to this rare book? It is how did you come by this rare book? The result will come at soon. It is the result will come out soon. You should take down your shoes. It's you should take off your shoes. He has taken in drugs. He has taken two drugs. Means habitual. We appealed at her for help. We appealed to her for help. He appealed in the judgment. It is he appealed against the judgment. We have no cause at anxiety. We have no cause for anxiety. What is the cause through this trouble? It is what is the cause of this trouble. If you like these kind of videos, then share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.